Here are 3 quick facts about the city of Maricopa. Maricopa was incorporated in 2003, and once it officially became a city, there were just over 1,000 residents. Homes can be more affordable in the city of Maricopa because it's along the outskirts of Phoenix Metro, where home prices can get more expensive. That doesn't mean you still don't have easy access to neighboring cities like Chandler, and you are still only 35 minutes from Sky Harbor Airport. And finally, my newest 3-bed, 2-bath listing is located right here in Maricopa.
Located in Rancho El Dorado, right off of the 347. You are instantly greeted by this covered entryway. As you enter the house, you see a flex space that can be used as a formal dining room, an office space, or really whatever you need it for. The living room offers some nice natural light. It has such a cozy move-in ready feel. The kitchen has all stainless steel appliances. The microwave is even brand new. This primary bedroom has everything you might need, including a walk-in closet. I also love the view of the backyard. The bedroom opens up right into the bathroom, where you will find some updated fixtures. Down the hallway, you will find 2 more bedrooms that are a good size. Great rooms for children, guests, or even an office. The second bathroom is also going to have some updated fixtures, as well as that tub shower combo. The current owners utilized this room as a gym, which I think is a great idea. Outside, you will find a covered patio, as well as newer grass and pavers. This community is so welcoming. It really is perfect whether you're looking for your first starter home, you have a young family, or maybe you're just a couple looking for a fresh start here in Maricopa. If you do have children, or you just like to know about the schools in your area, this is Maricopa Unified School District. You don't even have to leave the community to spend some good time outside. There are parks, baseball fields, walking, and bike paths all over. There's also a golf course right here in the community and others nearby. Now for one of my favorite parts of the community, the lakes. Reach out to me directly for more information on this property.